So you're looking for ways to increase your levels of productivity. I understand it's a little bit more difficult to get things done, especially throughout this COVID-19 period. Quarantine's probably got a lot of people down right now, especially you. In the morning, you might have a little bit of trouble getting up. Evenings, maybe a little bit difficult time getting tasks done. Nights might be even hard to get to sleep because you haven't really got anything done yet. I understand. Working from home, working from work, everything's a little bit more difficult, especially with this new atmosphere that we're conducting ourselves in. The main thing is we have to find out how to stay focused and how to stay on task. So, the truth is, motivation, desire, and inspiration are key things that a lot of people, including yourself, chase on a temporary basis, is when these emotions actually become alleviated. And that's why it is a little bit detrimental to base every single angle of your life on these alleviated temporary feelings. Trust yourself. Trust yourself as much as possible, guys. Trust in the process yourself and stay focused. These things, motivation, desire, and inspiration, they are very good forms of momentum to actually get you started. But that is not the question that you're looking for. The real question that you're trying to understand is how to develop a habit. This is the core principle of getting things done in a productive manner. You have to make it become a habitual sense of behavior to make everything become effortless. So if you want to partake in this task, I highly recommend you do, especially if you watch this far in the video. Give yourself a 21-day challenge. Put in your phone, download it into your phone right after this video, what you will be doing for 21 days straight. Make sure that you have a specific time that this task comes up. And as you do this, you're going to find as the days go on, everything becomes easier and easier. I promise you that. So when that alarm clock goes off, you will naturally get your subconscious mind to click in and reorient your brain and actually get that task firing through your head, and you will get up and you will do it and you will commit to it because you will hold yourself accountable. Make sure you put all your effort into getting this specific task done. And the good thing is you don't just have to limit it to one task in the future. Once you understand this concept and get used to it, you're going to find that you'll be able to put multi-level layered tasks in to get different things done at a different amount of time. And I promise you it will be great and very beneficial to your future. This is a way to master your habitual behavior and program your subconscious mind in order to become more productive. Trust me, simple tasks will become routine, and very difficult tasks that were hard to start before will seem effortless. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please find that thumbs up button, hit that, subscribe, leave a comment below. And one main thing, you guys, do not forget, make it happen. Trust the process, and good luck.